So I've been seeing more and more cars with this door handle cup scratch protector carbon fiber sticker thing, and so it kind of piqued my interest and I decided to give it a shot. So what this is it basically just goes behind the door handle right here where the cup is. This one already has the clear paint protection film, but I wanted to just give this a shot. And the ones I've seen online, the ones with the STI logo on it, are around 40 to 60 bucks. And I wasn't gonna pay that much for some fake carbon fiber stickers just to put on the door handles. So found this on Amazon, had some decent reviews. Can't tell you how many of those are real. The brand is JDM on, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So I'm hoping that the only difference is the STI logo. Obviously this one's not gonna have an STI logo, but I'm hoping that the quality is the same as the expensive ones. So hopefully you guys have a good visual on it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. And there should be 4 of them, one for each door. Yeah, they're literally just fake carbon fiber stickers intended to protect that door cup on the side. So let's go ahead and slap these on and see how they look. And if you've been subscribed to the channel for a little while, then you'll know that I like everything simple. I'm not a huge fan of stickers or anything like that. I mean, I just slapped this Grimmspeed one on there, just, you know, it looks cool in photos, that red on red kind of thing. I don't have very many stickers on the car, if any, but I just wanted to give these things a shot to see how fitment is and if anyone else is curious on how these look. So I'm hoping these are as good as the expensive ones. So this should be very simple. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean off the surface from any oils and stuff like that using isopropyl alcohol. This is half water, half alcohol, and I just mix it together in this bottle. And I'm simply just gonna dab some onto this microfiber and then wipe it clean. Let's go ahead and slap this on. I did get the medium size one. There's small, medium, and large. But according to the comments, the reviews that people left, the medium one fits the Subarus the best. All right, so I'm gonna start by just laying it down, seeing where we wanna stick this thing on. There's a little bit of gaps on the sides, but that's not a huge deal. So that's about good right there. And first thing we want to do is peel it from the middle. I'm gonna go from the middle out. Okay, and let's just line this up. The adhesive is pretty good on this. There we go. And let's go ahead and do the rear. Same steps. Just wipe it down and then stick it on. And then I'm just gonna try to line the back with the front, just so it doesn't look too odd. So that's that. Let's go ahead and breeze through the other side. Okay, so I just finished slapping these things on, and I don't hate them, but I also don't love them. On a positive note, I'm glad I paid what I paid for these instead of getting the $50 to $60 ones, just because I wouldn't want to waste money on something I didn't completely love. I mean, like I said, it's not bad, and if you don't have the clear protective film behind this, then it does work, prevents scratches from nails and stuff like that. Honestly, it adds a little bit of contrast to the car since I don't have much going on the side here, and it kind of matches this wrap that I did a while back. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but I think I'm gonna keep it on there for now. And if I want to rip it off in a couple days or so, then I wouldn't feel guilty about it, just because they are fairly cheap. If I could be nitpicky, the only thing I don't like is the border of the sticker itself. I mean, it just, I don't know, it looks a little weird. And as far as the car goes, I mentioned this in my last video regarding the issues I was having after installing the Grimmspeed bypass valve. Basically what happens is when I am wide open throttle, when I floor it, as soon as I get off of the gas, the car completely shuts off. So I did check with my tuner. There's no fail safe on these, so I honestly don't know what could be causing the issue. I still need to take out the Grimmspeed bypass valve and inspect it for any leaks. The only reason I'm pinpointing it to that is because I didn't have this issue with the nameless bypass valve, so that was the only addition to the car since then, before it started acting up like this. And I already got some new spark plugs, and might as well just take it all apart and then swap those out to see if it helps. I need to get on it. I've been slacking, been busy with other things, and I promise once I have an update, I'll make a video on it so I can share information if you guys are having the same issues and symptoms as my car. And on a side note, if you guys look over there, the quick jacks are no longer on the floor. I freed up a bunch of space right here, which I'm super happy about. Basically, I just installed the hooks that I purchased from Quick Jacks themselves, and as a layer of protection, I found these at Harbor Freight. Basically, they're just straps to hold up bikes on the ceilings and stuff like that. And then I found these little hooks on Amazon right there, if you can see that. So that hook is bolted onto the stud itself, and so when you lock it all up, if for some reason this fails, which it shouldn't because this is on a stud, then this should hopefully keep it from falling on my vehicle. But yeah, I doubt it's gonna fall. Like I said, I just wanted this as an extra layer of protection and security. The frame itself isn't resting on the hook. It's still on the ground, and if you guys can see right here, I can still move it. So these are just in case it rolls forward, since the wheels on these frames are on the bottom. But yeah, I like it a lot better mounted like this. I just think it's cleaner that way. All right, so back to the car. Let me know your guys' thoughts on these door cup handle protectors. I'm hoping they grow on me, but for now, they're so small and you barely notice it that I think I'm gonna keep them on, at least for the next couple days or so. Like I said, just to see how I feel about it. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this short video. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and remember to stay true to yourself, and more importantly, stay true to your build. I'll catch you guys in the next one.